Guys, realize that I've taken a trade. CADCHF. I just saw the setup on the 4-hourly, saw the rejections, and I'm like, okay, let me enter this trade for a buy. Now we are currently the calculation I did on the loss side calculator. I was supposed to get 1-2 on this trade, but I'll just give you 1-2. I don't know what caused it. So let me show you guys the chart quickly. So this is the loss size calculator. I realize that CADCHF 7 pips with spread, and then the risk in USD, that's $5. So when people come to here, look, you see my confirmation. Price pull back into this range, very bullish. 5 minutes rejections here, so I'm taking this trade right to the stop here. You realize that I was supposed to make 1-3 on this trade. TP19, SL 5.9, but I realized that now it's just 1-2 because of spread and stuff. So 1-2 is also not bad, so I'll write it out. Let me see it play out. I'll continue to update you guys for sure. Guys, I was taking out as $3.61, which I don't truly understand. This is a setup still. Let me show you the trade history quickly. This was a trade. I realized that I was taking it out of the trade not because of SL, because where's the SL? They said that I entered the trade here where there isn't even a price action. They said that was so exactly where I entered the trade. It doesn't make sense. There isn't price didn't come here for me to enter there. So I'm sure they just took me out of this trade for reason unknown. I'm very confident on the setup. 5 minutes is showing me what's the name? A tweezer, and I solidly believe in tweezers. So I was taking out of this trade for reason unknown. They said I entered where there isn't even a price action, but it is what it is. I will not re-enter into this trade because what's the use? The companies, they are like that. They are trying to forfeit every hard work that you do, so that you lose maybe a $20 account that you bought for $20 to them. And so it's I know my entry is perfect. Even if it's give me a loss, this is not how it's supposed to. The loss is supposed to be represented. But it is what it is. So I placed my SL above this range. That also I placed my SL above the range. Not what's the name? SL at this level. Right here. Because this tweezer's price was massively going up. I'm like, okay, let it pull down. If it's gonna pull down, I want to give you some breathing space before I take a loss. But what is happening here is that price went up. They executed my order just right above here, and then they are trying to say that price immediately came to this downside and came and took me out. I'm like, I even had a spread to the calculation. That was why my SL value was that low. But it is what it is. I'll trade another day, or if I find a different setup, I'll still update you guys for sure. Guys, I've taken a trade. AUDUSD. I saw the setup, price came into another block, and I just jumped into it. My TP is $25. My SL is 620. Is 680. So we are 1.5 to $1.60 or $1.76 in profit. So today is Wednesday, 3rd September. my second trade of the week. The trade I took yesterday, taken out at barely 3.61. So let's see how this trade will play out. Let me go quickly into the chart and show you guys what I saw before I entered into the trade. Let me set up. Realize that AUDUSD is a 15-minute time frame. Price pulls into another block here to the massive rejection. I consider that two kind of formation a Tuesday followed by bullish engulfing, and so I entered. I'm trying to TP. I'm trying to make 1:4 on this trade. The SL was supposed to be $7, but we spread. It became $8. Sorry, 8 pips, and then you realize that the TP is around 33 pips. So there will be an afternoon news at around 2 p.m. and maybe has a rule that you don't trade 2 minutes before or after a trade, after a high frequency news. This is it. Our trading rules. We come to can I trade the news, and you realize that yes, but you can't. This is it. You can't trade 2 minutes on either side of a red folder news. So when it gets to around 2, depending on my position, I'll actually remove my SL or my TP and then let the trade run. So I'll continue to update you guys for sure. Let's see how this trade play out. If it goes to my direction, this will be my first profitable trade in a very long while, and I'll be very, very pleased. So let's see how it play out, guys. Let's see how it play out. Let's see how this thing plays. Guys, you can see that I was taking out of this trade too. $7.31, $36. Finally, I've lost $130 out of my $160 trading account. So what is gonna happen is that from this point onwards, I will still size down a bit to not start using $3 throughout the trading. It's crazy. Look at my trading history. It's been crazy. The last time I have a winning trade was on the 1st of I think May, June, 1st of July. 1st of July till now, 3rd of September. I've just been losing day in, day out, just losses. So it's crazy. It's crazy. Just losses. But I'm not pissed at all. It is what it is. What the market want to do, we should do. So I've taken 2 losses for this week. I'll take the 3rd trade within the week, and then I'll stop trading for the week, and then I'll go on a 1-week break if it's possible. So let's see how it play out, guys. Guys, I've taken a trade. NZDCAD. This trade was a long time in the making. You realize that I'm risking. I told you that I'll be lowering my risk, so I just used $2.50, $2.5 for the trade today because of how the trade they executed me into the trade. So we announced, I think, $6 in profit, which is over 1:2, and I'm very, very, very proud of this trade. If this trade goes to profit, this is my first take profit in months, and so I'm pretty much excited about the outcome. We see that the take profit is $10.38, and then what's the name? The SL is $2.49. So right now I'm in the farm. If I get home, I'll most definitely show you guys the chart analysis. Maybe by that time the trade would have hit TP or whatever it's doing at that time. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. Price is now very close to my TP of 1:3, and I'm really proud of this trade. So I'll continue to update you guys for sure though. This is it. This is the profit. So guys, this is my P&L for the week. One thing is that I took that this trade was a trade that I was showing you guys on the chat. This is very trade, NZDCAD, and it started retracing against me and I quickly went on for 1:2. So this week you realize that even though I closed as 1:2, this has been one of the most profitable weeks for me in a while. It's like trading is one thing that you can't be able to predict. It's like come here every day and execute your system and see how you play out. So -$4. If you look at my what's the name? If you look at my account right now, it's sitting at $1,860. Let me show you guys something. Let's go to calculator. 1,860 minus 2,000, because $2,000 is what it's giving me, but maximum loss is $160. So 2,000 minus $160. I need to lose if I lose 1,840, then I'll lose the account totally. But right now I've lost in total 1,860. So minus 1,860 means that I only have $20 in my gun. You see, $20 in my gun, and the $20 in my gun, I said I'll trade it $3 from this point onwards. That was what I started doing previously, so that I still flatline the loss, or if there's a chance for me to come out the drawdown, then I do come out the drawdown. So this divided by 3 means I have 6 trades for me to breach this account. 6 trades for me to breach the account. And I know that this will be determined from next week and next 2 weeks, because if I take 1 trade a day and 3 trades maximally for a week, just 2 weeks, I need to know whether I'm losing or I'm failing. I'm winning. It will be my joy if I keep this account, but if I lost this account, it's part of the game. I bought the account $20. I'll be moving from Maven Prop Firm to what's the name? To Funded Next, because I love the rules that Funded Next has. You can hold a trade overnight. You can hold a trade over weekends. You can what's the name? You can trade news. Things that Maven Prop Firm will never agree for you to do. I told you guys that this 9 o'clock thing that you usually do, whereby when it gets to 9 p.m. then the spread will increase unimaginably. I did a video about that. It's not good for a trader, because a trader will hold a trade. Let's say I entered into this trade, AUDJPY, which the Australian session starts around 9 p.m. So it means that what volume for AUD will come when we are trading in this session, right? So maybe throughout landing and stuff, it didn't move because it's not in this session. Now price will move from 9 p.m. and then what's the name? Asia will open by what? Midnight. So you are telling me that I can't be in this trade whilst it is in its trading environment. It's crazy. So I bought just a single account from them. I'm not buying again. I'll buy a new account from Funded Next. If I lose this account, guys, Funded Next will be the next account that I will trade. So thank you guys for tuning in.
I really love you guys so much, and I appreciate everything you are doing for this channel. This is Advanced Trading Mechanics, and let's see how I play out, guys. Let's see how I play out. So peace out.